There are multiple ways to get attendance reports in Microsoft Teams. Let's see how it's done. So let's go into Teams and go to a class. And you'll see at the top here, the tabs, I have Insights. Now Insights shows a lot of data, including our digital activity, grades, assignments, and it also shows meetings. So since we're looking at attendance, let's take a look at meetings. So at the moment you're looking at the current day, but you can look at a 7-day report, and this will let you see all 7 days. You can also drill down to a specific date and then see the data for each student. So as you notice on the top right hand corner, it's now a specific date. So to add the Insights tab, you just hit the plus button. And if Insights doesn't show up right there, just type it in the search. And there you have it. So you don't have to post this to your channel because the students can't see the data. So uncheck it, hit save, and you're done. But I've already done this, so I'm just going to close this out. So these graphs are great, but you also want to export this data to Excel. So you simply click on Export to Excel, and the file gets downloaded. So where does this file go? Most people get confused about this. So you can access this file directly from Teams. Click on Files, and then on Downloads. And there's your file. You can also open your file in File Explorer. Go to Downloads, and there's your file. So let's open it in Excel. And here's your data. So here's your attendance by day. Teams has a second way of getting attendance. So let me go into a meeting, and I'm going to join the meeting. And now you simply click on the participant icon, and it'll show you your participants. Now at the top right hand corner, you'll see a download arrow. If you click that, that's the attendance. So you have to download this attendance list before you end your meeting. So once again, it's in your files, downloads, and there it is. Simply click the file and it opens in Excel. Here you will see your students' attendance data. The timestamp marks detailed activities such as when they joined and left the lecture. You can further refine this data if needed in Excel. To combine this data for a school-wide master attendance record, check out my blog for details. Insights is a valuable tool, and there are significant updates coming for the new school year. Here are some screenshots. Thanks for watching.